Have you ever wanted to have the alarm icon directly on your iPhone's locked screen, so you can quickly access the app without unlocking your phone? Well, now you can. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add the alarm icon to your iPhone's locked screen. This way, you will always be just one click away from setting an alarm without wasting precious time. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and find the Wallpapers section. Then tap on it. When you're on the Wallpaper settings page, you'll see two screens, the locked screen and the home screen. Tap on the locked screen. Here, you can see various options for customizing your locked screen. You can change the clock style, wallpaper, add widgets, and much more. To add the alarm icon to your locked screen, at the bottom of the screen, on either the left or right side, you'll see an icon with a plus sign. Tap on the plus icon on the side where you want to add the alarm icon. Right after that, a page with different icons will open, such as alarm, camera, Instagram, flashlight, and many others. Find the alarm icon and tap on it to set it on the locked screen, so you have it at your fingertips whenever you need it. Once you do this, to save the changes, tap the Done button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, when you're on the locked screen and want to directly access the alarm app, simply tap and hold the icon until it enlarges, then release it, and it will immediately take you to the alarm app. And that's it, folks. Very practical, right? If you liked this video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.